2010 Camaro SS Coupe with the RS package here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Two-owner vehicle, clean Carfax, little over 33,000 miles is all. This vehicle actually spent the majority of its life in Utah and Montana. Black on black, 6.2 liter, of course, underneath the hood. That is paired up with 6-speed automatic transmission, tap shift on the steering wheel. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia, grille. And as you can see, this one does have the dealer installed ground effects package. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures so you can see this car from every angle, you'll be able to see the interior, the undersides, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. I also want to let you know that this car will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, and that may be extendable up to 10 years. Underneath the hood, again, that 6.2 liter, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. The black, you are going to have a few spots, maybe you can see got a little touch up. I mean, it's black, it has been driven a little bit. We'll show a few things here and there, but overall, nice looking car riding on the stock wheels. Black interior, and I also rolled the windows up so you can see that they do have a light tint to them. So know your state and local laws just as far as your percentage of tint and what you're going to have there. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. If you look at the underside, you're going to notice the exhaust on this car is Corsa. It also has Coupe's long tube headers. And underneath the hood, when we get up there, start it up, let you hear it run. It does have an air raid, cold air intake system to it also. So it'll breathe a little bit better. Good sounding car. Definitely turns some heads with the way it looks and the way it sounds. Take your time looking through those still pictures. I would say there's over 100 pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. And once again, you'll be able to see the engine bay. Some of the things I've talked about, look at the undersides. You can see both sides really free of anything for major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, maybe a few imperfections here and there, but not many. All right, door panels. Of course, kind of the smoky gray inlay, and then power windows, power mirrors. This does have the Boston acoustic sound system to it. Go ahead and take a look at the seat. Not much wear there at all, bolster or seating area. Of course, the 2SS package in here with that RSS package. You'll be able to see a picture or a copy of the window sticker in with the still pictures. It's going to tell you exactly how this car is equipped. All right, let's go ahead and start this up for you so you hear it run. Take a little closer look at some interior components. All right, there's your exact miles, so 33,175. Also want to let you know that they have had this on the dyno after the cold air intake and exhaust and everything. This is to the wheels, 386 pound-feet of torque and 366 horsepower. And that's to the rear wheels. Dash looks good. Of course, gauge package, RS. 33,175. No check engine lights, service engine lights, anything like that. All good. There'll also be all kinds of pictures of that interior and with our still pictures. Give you an idea how it sounds. Of course, when you get on the throttle and you're going down the road, that's going to have a little bit of arc to it. Sounds good. Always got to let Corsa exhaust. And for the engine bay, let me get that hood open. So I'm going to pause this a second, get that hood open, check that out, and we'll wrap this video up. The underside of the hood, nice clean hood liner. Doesn't appear this vehicle's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. There's that air raid cold air intake for the 6.2 liter. And again, power steering, power brakes, automatic with the shiftable automatic transmission. Like we have a catch can here also. Elite Engineering. So you can see that. Then remember I mentioned the coupes, long tube headers, of course exhaust. You'll be able to see a copy of the dyno sheet, miscellaneous receipts, window sticker, all in with those still pictures. And also remember that 3-month, 500-mile included warranty protection plan. That may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. Original miles, clean Carfax, 2-owner.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Black on black with silver on the inside. Really nice looking car. 33,176 miles on the odometer on the dash. Radio works good. Once we get rid of this traffic, we'll get her out on the road. Very good acceleration, a really great exhaust sound. This car has lots of power. Our temperature gauge is about a third way up the gauge. The fuel is a little over half. Tachometer and speedometer working great. Under the dash we have oil pressure at approximately 40 to 50. Volts are above 12. Temperature of the oil about 200. Trans temperature looking at about 120 maybe. Car goes nice and straight down the road. Smooth ride. Rides like a new car. These hug the ground very well, corner well. It's an automatic on the center console, so it's super easy to drive. Comfortable. Got what looks like leather seats. I'm gonna go around this and accelerate one more time. Put the window down so you can hear it a little bit. Great sound and exhaust on this Camaro. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com. GoPro, stop capturing.